5, 6, 7, 8.
This dance is With or Without You, choreographed by Raymond Solomon and Roy Verdonk. It's a 32 count, 4 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, back, back, side rock, recover, forward, 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 out, out, pull, cross. Section 2, quarter turn right, half turn right, stepping back on left with a sweep, sailor step, forward, quarter turn left, stepping right to side, behind, side, cross. Section 3, side rock, recover, sailor, half turn right with a touch to the right diagonal, counterclockwise hip roll, clockwise hip roll with a quarter turn right to face 3. Last section, Full step on right, walk forward, left, right, side rock, recover, forward, step forward, pivot a quarter turn left, cross, quarter turn right, back, back. Weights on my right, I'm facing 3 o'clock and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.